Are you someone who often experiences insomnia? Let's be honest here. You have probably tried every single sleeping remedy out. There, for example, counting sheep and tumbling around. A lack of sleep can cause you to fall asleep. And we are lowers your productivity and not paying attention to what's happening around you. Introducing DOZZ, a sleeping aid device that eases your mind. And the key to a good night's sleep. Simply place DOZZ on your forehead, pair the app and turn on the breathing light. Synchronize your breathing with a breathing light projected onto the ceiling and clear your state of mind. DOZZ releases pulsation that can relieve your tension, relax your mind and help you fall asleep. The sophisticated design ensures peak efficiency, so it can minimize the size of DOZZ. Are you someone who finds it very difficult to bear the sound of snoring? All you need to do is place DOZZ under your chin to stop you from snoring. DOZZ is the ideal device for anyone who wants to relieve stress and most of all looking for better sleep. What more is there to think about? Back this project now to get a good night's sleep. If you forgot, frustrated when the blades be in the dull, shaving with the dull and old blades like touching your face with viruses and germs, so you end up replacing cartridges all the time. Even after a few days of uses you will have to replace the dull blade. They'll run out before you know it, then you will have to go and purchase more cartridges. Again, introducing Razor Booster, the world's first smart razor blade cleaner and sharpener. Using Razor Booster is incredibly easy. Apply the sanitizing liquid and it's the razor blade against it. It is powered by a small electric motor and it contains 12 rubber blades spinning clean 600 times per second, sharpening razor blades and offering 99% sterilization. Cartridges are not cheap. But with Razor Booster, not only does save you replacement bills, but also the environment. Facial hair upkeeping is now made much easier with Razor Booster, and enjoy smooth shaving experience like never before. Rinse it with water when cleaning is done. The straight everyday with a brand new and refreshing look. Razor Booster is the ultimate grooming essential, small yet powerful. Back now. We've designed the bomb rack to be your go-to companion for biking or walking to the beach, paddleboarding, hiking, fishing, relaxing at your local park, or even studying on the campus lawn, and it's machine washing. Pretty cool, huh? Well, beach days haven't always been super easy. We taken this comfortable aspects of our favorite backpacks and seamlessly integrated a reclining chair. It is a steel